Oh my goodness, baby. Oh my god. Hold on, I got a blanket for you. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Where's your mommy? Oh my fucking. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Big belly, big belly. Oh, yes. But he has like a tall build. Like he's really tiny, but his legs are long. And his whiskers are like sharp. So I just been really stingy anyways with giving him away because people have asked me to take him off my hands. And I just really care for dogs. And I just want him to have like a really good home.
That belly getting big, boy.